Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to continue the C programming. Okay, so under the C programming, decision statements. Okay, so the previous video we discussed the simple if statement, then if else statement. In this video, we are going to discuss about the nested if else statement. Nested if else statement. Okay, so before continuing the decision statement, we need to be remember what is the meaning of decision statement. Based on the our decision in the program, we are going to be execute a particular block of code among the n number of blocks, okay. The simple if statement contain only one body, only one block, or only one body of if statement, if statement. If the condition is true, the body will execute. If the condition is fail, the body will not execute. Similarly, if else contain the two block of program, one belongs to the if, another belongs to the else. If the if condition true, the if body will execute. The condition fail, the else body will execute. Okay, next, the third one in this video, we are going to discuss about the nested if else. So regarding the nested if else, the meaning of nested, according to the programming language, the statement contain one more statement inside. So nested if means here the if else statement contain one more if else statement. Why? The main reason is to provide the better decision making. Okay, so this is the syntax. So initially I indicated the green color indication to note down the if condition and body. If this particular condition is true, okay, then body of the if condition is going to be executed. So inside the body, one more if else statement is there. If else. Okay, so that's why we are saying it is the nested. The if condition body contain one more if else. Similarly, if the condition fails, then automatically it is going for the else body. If the condition fails, it is going for the else body. Inside the else body, there is one more if else. If else statement. Okay, so that's why we are saying it is the nested. If else statement. Okay, so this is a flow chart. You can able to easily understand the more about the nested if else. Okay, so initially the main if condition is there. Based on the true, it is going for if body execution. Inside the if body, one more condition is there. Based on the inside or nested if condition, if the condition true, body will execute if the condition fail, else body will execute. Suppose the main if condition itself getting fail means, then automatically it is going for else body. Inside the else body, one more condition is there. Based on the true, inside if body. Based on the condition false, inside the else body. Okay, so you can able to understand with properly with the example. Okay, so regarding the example, greatest among three numbers. If you are giving the three values A, B, C, we need to be find out the answer among the three numbers, which one is greater. Okay, so initially I am taking the number 1 A and the number 2 B in the main if condition. This particular condition true means A is greater, B is smaller. So smaller value I am removing. So with the first value of A and third value of C, again I am comparing inside the if condition. Okay, Amma listen. Suppose 8 and 3 and 7. 8, 3, 7. So initially I am going to be checking 8 and 3. Which one is greater? 8. So smaller is 3. Okay, so I am simply removing the 3. Okay, then I am going to compare 8 with 7. Based on the comparison, I'm directly going to say 8. Directly going to be say 8. So this is the logic we are using in this program. Initially we are taking the 8 and 3. So 8 greater than B. A greater than B. That means 8 greater than B. Condition is true. Condition is true. Then I'm going to inside the first value 8 and the third value C 7. I'm comparing here. A greater than C. A greater than C. Okay, so condition is true. So A is greater. A is greater. Among this three number 8, 3, 7. Initially I am comparing the main if condition 8 and 3. 8 is greater. So condition is true. Then it is entering inside the if body. Inside the if body one more if condition is there. There I am comparing the first value and third value, because in the first if condition itself second value is lesser compared with first one. So I am directly checking the first value and third value A and C. So based on this one, I am directly going to be say if it is true A is greater, if it is false C is greater. C is greater. Similarly, if the number A 8, 7, okay, if you are taking another example, suppose A is smaller means B is greater. A is smaller means B is greater. This particular condition is getting failed. This particular condition is getting failed. Listen, one more example. I'll try to write it. So this particular main if condition is getting failed means initial value A supposed to be smaller one. Initial value A is supposed to be smaller one. Then second value 7B. Okay. Then third value C 8. Okay. So 3 greater than 7. Condition failed. Directly it is move on to the else body. Here I am taking the second and third value. 7 is greater than C. It is also false. So directly it is going for else body and displaying C is greater. Displaying C is greater. Okay. So this is the way. You need to be understand the nested if else. Directly we can go for the example. Directly we can go for the example program in the Turbo C software. Already I typed the program. Properly. I'll explain line by line. So you know about the hash include stdio.h, conio.h. stdio.h to support the IO related functions. Printf, scanf. Those list of functions are supported by the standard input output.h header file. So that's why I included the stdio.h. Second, conio.h, console input output, to support this particular line of clear screen. It is supposed to be supported by the conio.h. So that's why I included the conio.h, console input output.h header file. Then void main. Whenever the C program compiler reading the main, then it is going to be start running the program. Okay. Then inside the main I declared ABC, integer ABC. If I want to find the greatest among three numbers, I need to be read the three values from the user to find the greatest among three numbers. Okay. Then printf, enter the three numbers. Then scanf, reading the input A, B, C. Similarly, the corresponding symbol I return within the double quotes %D. Now up to here you can able to understand whatever we discussed in the previous program. So that is the same thing repeated here. Okay, but under that one. Okay, it is started here. So initially if condition is there, A greater than B. If the condition true, B is smaller. So inside the if body we are comparing the A and C, not the B. A and C. If the condition true, directly we are going to be saying A is greater. If the condition fail, directly we are going to be saying C is greater. So if condition A greater than B and C, C greater than A and B. Okay. Similarly, if the condition is getting fail, that means A is smaller, B is greater. So compare else body. Inside the else body, this is the else body. So inside the else body again, if condition is there, B is greater than C. Based on this one, we are going to be directly saying B is greater, C is greater. Okay, if the condition true, B is greater. If the condition fail, C is greater than A and B. Okay, so that is what the program nested if else. I will repeat it one more time. Listen properly. So this is the if condition. If the if condition true, then if body, this is the one body for this particular if. If the condition true means A is greater, B is smaller. So that's why I am not considering the B. because the condition true, B is smaller. Then I am comparing with the unknown number, third number C with the first number A greater than C. Okay, if A is greater, then condition true, else if body will execute, if body contain the printf statement. Okay, if the condition is fail, A greater than C, then C is greater compare with A and B. C is greater compare with A and B. Okay, again, if the condition, main if condition is getting failed, that means A is smaller value, B is greater value. Then once we are entering inside the else body, there is one more condition, B greater than C. B greater than C. Similarly, we are going to be saying B is greater or C is greater based on the condition true and false. True and false. Okay, we will see the output. So initially I am typing 1, 2, 3. C is greater. C is greater. Okay, similarly, if I am going to be typing in a reverse manner. Okay, 3 enter, 4 enter, 2. B is greater. B is greater. Okay, similarly 4, 3, 1. A is greater. Okay, so whatever maybe we are providing, the logic is going to be getting getting properly the values and comparing properly the values. Okay, so after checking the output, we are going back into the program. I'll revise one more time. Up to here you can able to understand. So if condition A is greater than B, okay, if the condition true, A is greater, B is smaller. If the condition true, B is smaller, compare with A. So we are eliminating the B. Then inside the if body, we are comparing A and C. We are comparing A and C. Suppose this particular condition is failed. This particular condition is failed. Then A is smaller, B is greater. Okay, so we are considering the B, not considering A inside the else body. B greater than C. B greater than C. Okay, then thank you, thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries, you post in the comment box. Thank you.